fix my hair. I'm going to get it braided tomorrow. So, but I'm kind of excited about that. She wanted me to come today, but it's Friday. It's Valentine's Day. What I do with my box? I want to show y'all something what I got. Oh, here it is. I got this for my daughter. And I got these from my daughter. And I got these from my daughter. And I gotta show y'all one more thing. Stop that. Ouch. And this. From my daughter. And I didn't think I was going to get anything. And I cried. But I didn't get my teddy bear. Where's my teddy bear? Where's my teddy bear? You know I want my teddy bear. So I guess I'm going to have to go out and buy me a teddy bear. So I can snuggle up with him tonight and pretend like he's Eric. I think I will. But it's Friday and it's like 20 minutes to 4 p.m. over here. And I know it's like 20 minutes to, ooh, there go a deer. 20 minutes to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's 20 minutes to 9 over there, Bethany. I know you used to go to bed around, Ruby Gems. I know you used to go to bed around 10. I'm thinking about Bethany. Where's my baby? My Indian sister. Oh, Bethany, you're on my mind. So you must be thinking about me. That's that Indian stuff vibrating in the air. I feel your energy, Bethany. Yes, I'm here. I'm fine. I'm okay. I feel that energy power, that surge, that I feel it. Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay. Our ancestors are connecting us. Yes, I'm thinking about you too, Bethany. And I hope you get all your money back. And I'm praying for you. It's going to be okay, my sister. My Indian sister. It's going to be okay. Yes, I'm thinking about you too. Yes. Everything going to be all right, sweetie. Everything going to be all right. I'm just looking at the deer out there. Everything going to be all right. I'm a little down because of my live stream, but I'm going to get my hair done in the morning. And I'm going to be out and about all day tomorrow and Sunday. So they cut it off. What is going on? Like something biting me. They cut it off Monday. So I'm thinking it'll come back on Monday. Ruby told me it takes about 7 days after you get a copyright. And I appealed it, and they approved of my appeal, so they put my videos back up. Because they said it really wasn't like they thought it was, copyright over copyright. But for some reason, they still won't let me go live stream. It just keeps saying you can't go right now. So I'm thinking since they took it down Monday night, I'll be able to go back on Monday night. Because Monday morning, we did a live. We did about 2 hours Monday morning. And then when I got to work, 10 o'clock, it says you can't go because of copyright on copyright. So I appealed it because I didn't see it. Plus, I took all those videos down, the last few that had music. And then they said, okay, we approve of it. We made a mistake. And I sent them another email, YouTube, and telling them, can I go live again? And I haven't heard a response yet. So, I don't know. Maybe they'll do it today, tomorrow night, Monday. But I got a feeling it's going to be soon. They took it down Monday, so it'll probably be Monday when they put it back. So, but anyway, I think it'll be all right by Monday. But I'm going to be in and out all day tomorrow. I'm going to be up in there to shop with the girls 6 hours getting my hair done. We're going to be laughing and talking. And Sunday, I'm going to the park and do videos with my regular camera. And still, I can download it to YouTube. So, it'll still count as YouTube videos. But I'm going to stay busy. And I got some more stuff to do because I'm about to pack up. I done cleaned out my whole closet in the living room. I done cleaned out this closet. All I got to do is stack this stuff and downsize it to about 2 containers. And I'm going to be ready. And my brothers told me all I got to do is have them to deliver it and set it in the yard on the side of the house. And when I get ready to go, we got a U-Haul company right up the street. All I got to do is go rent a U-Haul truck or a regular renter's truck with a ball on the back. Come back and hook it up. Head towards Philadelphia, Ohio, Wisconsin, see me misconstrued. I'm out. And of course, in July, I'm supposed to be going to Arizona. But you know what I want to do, y'all? I really don't want to go to Arizona. I think I want to go either UK or somewhere around here in the mountains. I might even go up to Washington State to Yellowstone Park because I got some people that's going to travel with me. I might go to some places here in America I've never been. And one place I know I can go, I got my passport to cross the border, is Canada. I can't wait. I can't let nothing stop me, y'all. I might can't go live, but I can still do videos. Because I got a friend here, ain't never, ever went live. All her videos, when she got monetized, she didn't have number of videos. No live stream. But it took her a whole year and a half. So she told me, Miss Ruby, calm down. Take that year and do videos. Just don't try to rush. Take a whole year. Calm down. Just consider this as a rest period. Don't worry about doing no live streams. You can still do shorts on YouTube. And I can go do my regular camera and send them to YouTube. They still YouTube videos. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to be okay. I'm excited about getting my hair done, too. Yeah. I'm going to end this because this is in the glare. And I'm going to send it to y'all. Love y'all.